reckon we've been on the island. I mean, I woke up to worst views. My ride's there, Max's ride's there, your ride's there, Tom. Half an hour to get out of here. And it's pissing down. It's not ideal. We're ready, yeah? Our youth hostel, absolute terrible place, not ideal at all. It's wet, it's not very warm either. Look at that though. Oh man, I'm going to stop in a minute and pull in just to get some photographs and stuff of the view. So we have a little lake over there by the looks of it, look. Yeah, that youth hostel wasn't amazing, to be honest. There was literally nothing to do there. They had a bar, they served two different types of beer. One was an ale, one was a lager, Beck's, and some sort of IPA ale, but weren't allowed to take the glasses outside. Had to sit inside. The room where you had to sit was tiny, dingy, not much light coming in, pretty rubbish to be honest, but only cost 20 odd quid for the night. But look at this view though, man. You would not get this round Oxford. I thought there was somewhere to pull in around here. That. and get some go-go juice from the fuel station. We were looking for one for a while. We just pulled in for a little cig and then realised there's one 3 miles down here, which is just typical. Weird. Is he going to come out and fill it for us? This is like going back in time, this place. Fuck's sake, fucking raining again, great. It's a rainy adventure! When don't we have rain? For a little Smoky Johnson. Ready? Scary, scary. This is a fucking incline and a half. Met a car already, have we? Back brakes only. Jesus Christ. It's a little bit sketchy. Fucking don't look down, boys, don't look. Fuck. There's a car coming as well, no. Fucking hell. Jesus. Driving down the side of a fucking mountain here. This is nuts. The key is just don't look down. Want to go tumbling down that hill? Unless your name's Mr. Tumble. What's up?
No, it's steep when you look in your rearview mirror and all you can see is the sky. Head down to the village, you have to close it down.
Yeah. Slight change of plan, guys. So we've just visited the Shropshire hills. As you've seen from the clips, it is honestly, it's blowing a gale up there. So we've decided not to camp there. We've actually booked into a campsite near, I think it was near Ludlow, maybe. It's about half an hour from where we are now, so we're going to cruise down to the campsite. It was actually really cheap. It worked out as £7 each. £7 each for the pitching the tent as such, and they give us the option, did we want to sleep on level ground or on a slope. So it was a no-brainer to ask for the level ground, and that was an extra £1 each. So yeah, we're heading over there now. We're going to stop at somewhere, get some refreshments, dinner and food, and a couple of cold ones, and yeah, let's see what this campsite's saying, what it's all about. Shouldn't take us too long. It's only 16 miles away, so not very far at all.
Got a boo-boo.
What are you doing?
Got a fucking boo-boo.
Are you going to strap it or what?
I've not sorted out the boo-boo. Not there.
Oh, it's up here. Says it's up there. That's the car park. Was it called that? Probably that then. Was it a campsite? Oh right, it might be that then. Go on. Yeah.
that wall, that would be good, so that they're all closer together, because this area will be used for cars in the morning from the riding school. So just put them a bit tighter near that wall.
Quite level. The rain has done us in last night.
The first night was shit, wasn't it? Yeah. Camping wise. It's a nice little spot though, but it was dry and whatever.
It was entertaining. What with the warden and then matey dog.
Yeah, I know.
And Milky.
It makes a good video.
Yeah. Phone charger, yeah?
Yeah, another one charger.
Where are you going to leave your boots tonight?
Stay with me. I might chuck them in one of your tents in the middle of the night just for the crack. What's that? The first person who snores is getting it. I was up to like 2 o'clock. I stood outside staring at a toad for about half an hour.
A toad?
When last night?
In the ditch bit.
Was there? Moving?
Yeah, it was where the water was coming down and splashing over it. It's just like underneath, like they're taking a shower.
Alright.
Delirium in a minute. This is him snoring.
That wasn't that bad.
That was somebody else, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Come for Max's bed. Does anyone else's tent smell weird inside?
Well, if yours smells weird, you might as well have the boots.
Tom, does yours smell weird?
No, mine's a bit weird.
Like, oh, yeah, no, like smell like your boots. like there's a boot in there.
So your tent stinking the room out all along.
My tent was on the bike. Well, Tom, does yours smell weird?
No.
You haven't even checked.
Smell it. No, they do a little bit now. I've got everyone's boots in here. 7:15. What time does it get dark? 9? Oh, you can They didn't actually smell that bad, though. Must have been your tent.
Well, the smell.
He's starting to get hooked on it.
He's addicted to it. Comparing sausage sizes.
We'll find out when we get mad cow disease in the morning.
That's why we need a fire.
I might go put the
Oh, what's the campsite called again?
Whitcliffe campsite we're at.
June.
Whitcliffe.
Yeah.
Yeah, what would you say about Whitcliffe's campsite? Would you recommend it?
It's been a nice experience, to be honest.
Yeah, it's been alright.
I think the only thing that we could do with is a fire in the middle.
Yeah.
But you ain't. There's no campsite in London.
There's
They'll let you light a fire.
No, there's a.
10 p.m. You're not allowed to make any noise apparently.
It's
After
all,
10 p.m.
oh,
because
you
it's
might
quiet.
catch fire to the wet grass.
Or your tents.
It's like, that's the idea. We want to be
How
warm.
else are we meant to get it going?
The view's been decent though.
Yeah, it's a pretty nice view.
Yeah,
to be fair.
especially during the day.
I think it's better than sleeping
Everywhere
up on
we've
that
gone.
top of the
I
cliff
know,
where we were earlier.
This week though, when haven't we had a good view?
Oh no, even Biden, man, there's just been hills.
Yeah,
everywhere.
no, some of them it's been pretty nuts.
I think B&E is better than where we were at the hills earlier.
No, I
That'll
don't
be
know.
too open and too
man,
cold.
That was
Yeah, for camping, but not for views.
Yeah, for views, it's
Yeah,
good
yeah.
views, but if you was camping up there,
Yeah.
that'd be really horrible.
Yeah, it'd be windy as fuck, wouldn't it?
You
Yeah.
could have lit a fire up there, but the wind up there,
Would have took it everywhere.
you just wouldn't have benefited from it.
And then we would have been explaining to the police why we set the mountain on fire.
Yeah, but I thought they said it was supposed to be dry. Hello guys. We've just left Whitcliffe farm campsite. It's called in I think it was Ludford. Ludford, something like that. It was actually a pretty decent campsite. Had toilets, showers, obviously camping area, flat or on the slope. But yeah, all round for the price, not a bad little place. Views were great. So yeah, it wasn't too bad. We've just left. Time is about 11, something like that maybe. AM morning. First day without the waterproofs on because it's not meant to rain, but we've got that big cloud above us which is telling us otherwise. So I'm hoping it doesn't actually rain. But we are on the trip home now anyway, so it won't be the end of the world if it does rain. But yeah, ideally we don't want it to. But yeah, obviously this is day 4, I think it is, and heading back now. But guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe and leave a comment. Take it easy guys, thanks for watching. Did you? I missed you. Oh, love you. I missed you more.
Daddy's back.
Daddy's back.
Daddy.
Love you.